One of the things that I find most amazing at Restore is our new MedRay Class 4 laser. This laser has had the best results that I have seen single-handedly. People that are actually unable to move a joint are in so much pain, and just after a few sessions are able to freely move and have almost no pain. My passion is to be able to see the clients improve in a very fast-paced environment and be able to go out into the world and do the things that they love. I get to see every single day people coming in that truly want to improve their mobility and their health. They're using all of our modalities, chiropractic and physical therapy, in order to get back to doing the things that they love. I welcome all of you that are looking for an improvement in your health and wellness to please come and visit us at Restore in Wayne. I also welcome you to go onto our website and log into our Mind Body app to schedule any of our services.